Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is PRANANINGRUM and my partner
Riyan Arfiansyah.
and we are from Group 3 of Mathematics Education. We'll presenting about materials of ratio
Percentage.
and proportion.
Okay.
Hope you like it.
Materi is number 1, percentage, number 2, ratio, number 3, proportion. What is percentage?
This percentage. In mathematics, a percentage or 100 is a comparative number to express a fraction of 100. The word percent comes from the Latin percentum, which means 100. The percentage is often indicated by the symbol percent. Percentages are also used although not element of hundreds. N% is n out of 100. So n% of a quantity is n out of 100 of that quantity. Thus, 1% is 1 out of 100 of the whole and 100% indicates the entire quantity. For example, 5 lecturers are supervising exam on campus. 2 of them are not wearing glasses and 3% is wearing glasses. The percentage of lecturers without glasses is 2 out of 5, is 40 out of 100. That means 40%. While lecturers who wear glasses are 3 of 5. Is 3 out of 5, 60 out of 100 is 60%. So, the percentage of lecturers who do not wear glasses is 40% and those with glasses are 60%. Question 1. Tian bought a car for 100 million rupiah with a down payment of 20%. How many dollars is the down payment? Down payment of 20% from 100 million rupiah is 20 out of 100 times 100 million. So, the down payment of 20% is 20 million rupiah. So, the amount of the down payment is 20 million rupiah. Question 2. If J has 60 correct answers out of 80 test questions, what percentage of J answered the correct answer? 60 out of 80 times 100 is 75%.
What is ratio?
Ratio is a comparison between two or more magnitudes. In calculating the ratio, you must ask the sum units. If there is a difference, you must first equalize the units. In general, the ratio is denoted by I out of B or A colon B, where B not equally 0. Example. In grade 4 of SD Sapporo, there are 10 male students and 50 female students. Meanwhile, in grade 2 of the elementary school, there are 18 male students and 20 female students. Question A. State the number of male and female students in the 5th grade of the elementary school as a ratio. Yet B. State the number of male and female students in the 6th grade of the elementary school as a ratio? Answer. I. The ratio is 10 out of 15. B. The ratio is 18 out of 20.
Example 2. If there are 2 calculators for every 5 students in an elementary school, how many calculators are needed for 25 students? Answer. The multiplicity of calculator out of the number of students is 2 out of 5 is n out of 25. 2 times 25 is n times 5. 50 is 5 and is 50 out of 5 and is 10.
What is proportion?
Proportion are fractions whose numerators are part of the denominator. Proportion means the number of frequency of a particular trait is compared with the entire population in which the trait is obtained. Used to see the composition of a variable in a population. This form is often expressed in percent. That is by multiplying this fraction by 100%. Two ratios are said to be proportional if and only if the fraction representing them are equivalent. Proportion is times 100%. Example. In a population of 50 pregnant women, there are 5 mothers who experience placenta previa. What proportion of pregnant women have placenta previa? Answer. Proportion is times 100%. 5 out of 50 times 100% is 10%. Quiz. Number 1. 5% is. Number 2. 300% is. Number 3. 1 out of 5% is. Number 4. 42% of parents of an elementary school are working as farm laborers. If the number of parents who work as farm laborers is 165 people, is 168 people, how many parents are there in the school? Number 5. If a turtle walks 5 cm per second, how many meters does it walk for 50 seconds? At the convenience store, 7 super orange creams are sold at price of 10,000 rupiah. In other convenience stores, 21 super orange creams are sold at price 30,000 rupiah. At which convenience store is the price is super orange? Number 7. In a car factory, the assembly of cars uses robots. If 3 robots can assemble 17 cars within 10 minutes, how many cars can be assembled by 14 robots within 45 minutes if all robots have the same working ability? Number 8. Mr. Anand, Mr. Bara, and Mr. Chen earned 2,020,000 rupiah. For the work of checking a house, Pak Anand worked for 30 hours Mr. Bara worked for 50 hours and Mr. Chen worked for 60 hours. They divide the money according to the proportion of their working hours. How much money did they each receive?
Thank you for watching to our presentation. I hope what we have shared would be beneficial for all of us.
And if you have a question about the materialist, you can drop it on comment section.
And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye guys.